Hi guys, in this video I'm going to go through what BODMAS is, what it stands for, and then we're going to go through 3 different examples. So the first thing is to go through what the letters actually mean. So let's start from the beginning. So the B stands for brackets. So the first thing in a question, if it has brackets, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, if it's got powers, roots, anything like that, the first thing we focus on is the brackets. So whatever's actually inside the brackets, we work out first. Then we have the other. And this refers to any square roots, any powers, anything like that. And the D stands for division. So next we divide after we've looked at the brackets and then the indices or the roots, and then we divide. Then after that we multiply. Then we add. And then we subtract. So this is the step by step. This is how we go through the question, and we actually follow this method and we go through the questions. So let's just go through an example just to show you this. So if the question is, number 1, 3 times 6 plus 4. If that's the question, here we've got a multiplication and we've got an addition. But it looks a little bit confusing because now we need to find out which one to do first. So if we look back over here, we can see that we need to do the multiplication first because it comes first in the line in the list of BODMAS. So we do 3 times 6 first. This is our first step. And then whatever we get here, we will add 4. That's step 2. So we know that 3 times 6 is 18. And 18 add 4 is 22. So that is the answer for 3 times 6 plus 4. Then let's do another example. In this example, we have in brackets 6 plus 4 and then times 3. So here we've got brackets, we've got an addition, and we've got a multiplication. If we look back at the first example, we did the multiplication first and then the addition. However, as we have brackets around the addition, we need to do this first because it comes first in our BODMAS. So we do 6 plus 4 first, and then we times it by 3. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. So the answer is 30. Now let's go on to a little bit of a complex question, slightly complex. And this question is the square root of 4 times 2 plus, in brackets, 20 take away 12. Now, let's think about this first. So we've got a square root, we've got a multiplication, we've got an addition, a subtraction, and brackets. So in BODMAS, let's follow. So brackets first. So we would do 20 minus 12 first. That's our first step. So this would become 4 times 2 plus 20 take away 12 is 8, like that. So what's the next step? Here we've got a multiplication and an addition. If we look at BODMAS, we know that we need to multiply first. So we'd multiply here first. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we still have the root. 4 times 2 is 8, and we have to add 8. And this becomes the root of 16. And as we know, the square root of 16 is just 4. So that is the third example of using BODMAS. Just to recap, we've gone through in this video what BODMAS stands for. So this is the method that we follow to work out any questions that we get like this. So B is for brackets, O is for other. These include square roots, indices, anything in that section. Division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Let me just write here in brackets, we've got square roots, or we've got something to the power. So the power is the other. There we go. And then here we've got examples. the 3 examples we've seen that here we do the multiplication first, then the addition. Again, here we use BODMAS, but because there's brackets around here, we have to do this one first, even though it's an addition, and then multiply by 3. Here, we have a square root, but we've got brackets, and brackets come first. So first we do the brackets, then still inside here, we do the multiplication first, then the addition, then this root, and then we've got 4. Here I know that there's a square root here, but we've got to do everything inside, and then at the end we get 4. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.